Welcome to this symbol sketching experiment. As a participant, we're going to give you a message, and you are going to portray that message in picture form using a simple, very rudimentary sketch. In other words, line drawing, very simple. It does not need to be elaborate at all, nor does it need to be professional level of art. It simply needs to be a sketch that you can then describe to us, what have I attempted to draw. So as you can see, not very high level of professionalism is needed. So any artistic ability will be perfectly fine. The message that we're going to give you is going to be related to health care. Particularly, it's going to be a pain scale. Now, a pain scale is can range from 0 to 10. Anywhere along that scale, the higher the number, the more pain that a patient might be experiencing. The trouble is, it's difficult sometimes to communicate what pain I am experiencing to my physician if there's any kind of culture, language barrier between us, or if the symptoms are inhibiting one's ability to communicate verbally. So it's very handy to have pictures that can communicate levels of pain. And so you will be given a written description of different levels of pain, and we want you to portray those with a simple symbol. Whatever symbol you believe best would communicate this particular level of pain. And you may find it a little bit difficult to distinguish between one level and the next, but that's okay. So do the physicians and so do the patients. So it's perfectly fine. What, therefore, we simply want you to do is to portray that level as best that you can. So if that level is extremely severe or very light or something in the middle, you portray it as best you can with the simplest symbol that you can think of, and then we'll give you a few additional numerical values along that scale from 0 to 10. So you'll end up doing 4 total numbers on that scale. So you can see there'll be variations of that pain portrayed for you, and you can use whatever graphical or pictorial attributes that you want to put in your picture, as long as you can tell us what you're trying to draw. But again, I urge you to be simple, not something elaborate, and we will discuss what's in that picture once you're done. All right, you'll have about 5 minutes to make this sketch, so as you can see, it doesn't need to be anything elaborate, and that should be plenty of time.